Now we are in section 2 of the panel. In this section, we can edit our design, such as rotating it, changing its size, and duplicating it. Now, even though in section 1 we already selected our design, in section 2 it does not appear automatically. To see it, we always need to press the flower icon with the magnifying glass. We press the button, and now the design we selected will appear on the screen. How to rotate the design. Now let's look at the available functions. We start with this button marked with the letter P. This button allows us to rotate the design into different positions, even flipping it upside down. Remember, to view the result, we press the preview button again. Rotating the design by angle. There is also the option to rotate the design by angle. For example, I will enter the number 10 and confirm with the check mark. I press the flower icon with the magnifying glass to preview the change. As you can see, the design is now at that angle. I repeat the process and now set it to 30 degrees. Again, we press the preview icon to see the result. To return the design to its original position, we simply enter the value 0. Done. XY option, which allows us to make the design bigger or smaller. It is only recommended to scale the design up to 10%, because this function does not add or remove stitches, it only resizes the design. For example, we will scale this design by entering 90 for X and 90 for Y. To return it to its original size, we simply enter 100 for X and Y. Duplicating the design. Repetitions. This process is completely based on the X and Y axes and works using multiples. For example, if we want 2 designs horizontally, we enter the value 2 on the X. Next, we check the width of the design and add between 5 and 10 units to that value. In this example, the width is 126, so I'll add 6 more to that value. Now will be 132 on the X. This will give more space between each design. Now, if we want to add more designs at the bottom, we will need to modify our height too. As we can see, the height is 58. We add 10 more and enter the value 68. We press the preview icon, and now we can see 2 designs. I'll add more space between each design by adding 10 more. And press the preview button once again. Now if we want 2 more designs at the bottom. In repetition times on the Y, we change the value from 1 to 2. We press the preview icon, and now we can see 4 designs. If we want to go back to showing only the original design, we simply set repetition times to 1 and set repeat space to 0. And with this, we finished the video for section 2 of the Aries panel, where we learned how to rotate, scale, and duplicate designs.